Sam Bankman arrested. What? This is crypto news. Fun on the right. We know the last information about the crypto world and price predictions. So if that's something of your interest, smash that like button and we start crypto news. Fun on the right. Crypto a tope. In today's show, we start talking about Bitcoin price. We went above $18,000, which is awesome. Maybe with this bull flag we had from November 22nd. And remember that we broke this line, this random line we had with previous lows. But maybe we can picture that is not a weak thing, but a body of the candles. So maybe if we draw this white line, we can say that still it was support for Bitcoin, and now we have to go up higher and higher. What do you think about that? Are we gonna go up? Remember that past years we just went down till 16, 17 of December. Right now, we are choosing a different path for Bitcoin comparing with the past Decembers that may end in a December in the green. So that would be awesome. And what we have to know, what are we waiting for? We are waiting for the Fed to decide if they are going to raise the rates or not. Remember, yesterday we had good data for the CPI in United States, and that's why Bitcoin is going up. Even though the stock market in United States went down, Asian markets are going up, and we'll see today. We expect a good number for those rates, and then the price of Bitcoin and crypto will go up too. We need to know if Standard & Poor's 500 is going to break for good this line. Remember the resistance from the past, this descending channel we have, and we just broke it yesterday with a wick. So maybe today we break it for good, and we can say that we're starting to build the next step that will be a positive one and not a different, a bad one as it happened in the past. Anytime the Fed told us they are raising rates. Remember, Arthur Hayes telling us that the bottom is in already, because everybody that has something to lose is lost already. I leave you the link to the actual article in the description of this video. Why? Because it's awesome. This guy is telling you here that there are 3 cohorts that were forced to puke their Bitcoin into the righteous hand of true believers: the centralized lending and trading firms, Bitcoin mining operations, and ordinary speculators. In every case, misuse of leverage, whether it was in their business operation and model or they use it to finance their trades, was the cause of liquidations. With short terms, whatever, after walking through how leverage destroyed each cohort's positions as rates rose, I will then explain why I think they have no more Bitcoin left to sell. So maybe this is the bottom for this cycle, for this debacle. Hopefully so. There are some optimistic people here comparing the situation with the situation we had in 2019. It was just exactly 1 year going down. Now we have 1 year going down. Then maybe we need now some years going up for Bitcoin. That would be awesome. And Stock Money Lizards comparing situation right now with 2019, where we had a Christmas rally. So maybe we have this parabola again, hopefully. So we are optimistic. We are praying for the 4th bull run in the Bitcoin's history. Ethereum's going up, now facing resistance in the moving average of 100 days. The market's in the green, the bubbles are in the green, and the most important ones in the green too. We are not fearing that much. We are in the 30 today, but all our fears come from FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. He was detained. He was arrested in Bahamas, and he's facing 165 years in jail because all of the charges he is now facing. He was planning on talking on Tuesday in Congress, and he was going to blame, as the document was leaked, he was going to blame everybody. Caroline, the Alameda CEO, also some lawyers and other people related with the company. So he was innocent. He was just a guy that didn't do the work properly, but he's innocent. We'll see what the judge has to say. Now we're comparing the situation with Bernard Madoff. Remember December the 11th, 28th, he was arrested, and it's a coincidence or maybe not that December the 12th, 2022, SBF was arrested. Well, remember that this guy was charged for one of the most important fraud cases in the story of the world. He faced 150 years in prison, and he died there in 2021. So this is a case similar or worse even that with Bernard Madoff. We'll see about that. Laya Helper is telling us that it smells funny that they just arrested SBF before he declared on Congress. SBF getting arrested isn't a good thing. He was meant to testify under oath before Congress today, who would then charge him with a crime. Prosecutors just saved SBF from incriminating himself. It's all a joke. They've all been paid off. They've all been paid off. So the idea here is that, he is trying to be saved somehow by the ones that he was helping in the first place. We don't know what's going on. We will in the future. If we are lucky, we keep on researching. And maybe one good thing about all this fiasco is that we have Crypto Gucci is telling us here this document where we have that Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, and others are considered a commodity. So again, with this fight between security or a commodity or commodity, well, right now it seems that they are being recognized as a digital asset and a commodity. So that might be so good. More things about the fiasco of FTX. They had a group in Signal, allegedly, where they were trying to talk everything encrypted out of track about the fiascos they were doing. But they know, the authorities right now, they have this information. And Sam was asked, and he's saying that he has no clue what they're talking about, that he was not part of this group. What about all the people that received donations from SBF? Well, now $75 million worth of FTX political donations are at risk of being recalled due to bankruptcy. Some of them already gave the money to charity, so they are not linked to this, but we'll see about that. And also clients from FTX are being investigated in Bahamas, so we'll see where all this goes. More than that, Binance now in a bad spot, $2 billion out of Binance in the last 7 days. When we had the fiasco in FTX, they were out like $2.3 billion. Now 2 more billion out. He said, saying that he's been under attack, that everything is food, that it's okay, that this is a regular day in crypto space, that he has the money, that the reserves of all those crypto are legit in his exchange, that the stop of the withdrawal of USDC, the stable coin, is just something they needed to do for maintenance, that what was announced already. And finally, he's saying that he's been under attack, and all the food and all those people saying that they are going to be charged by United States government are all news, and this is all a plot against Binance. What do you think about it? Is it a plot or not? Any case, I just took the money I had there in futures, etc., out of the exchange. I just have their BNB right now and some other assets, but really little money there, just in case. The cryptocurrency BNB is not going as south as I would expect, but anyways going down right now when the market is going up. So what do you think? They can manipulate this price or not? Is this a good thing? It's not dropping more. Do you think it's gonna drop for good in the next hours, days? We'll see about that. And now Justin Sun is trying to help Binance. He's depositing there $100 million, but for us, it's not a good thing that Justin Sun is related with this fiasco, because we do not trust him at all. Also in this article, they tell you that he took 50 million in the past. So we don't know about this 100 million that allegedly you can check in blockchain, etc. But for us, this smells fishy too. Also consider that Tether is helping Binance swapping 3 billion USDT to Ethereum from Tron. And why is that? They say it's just because they want to balance the coins they have in one chain and in the other. But is there something more behind? We have no clue. And we don't understand Justin Sun when he says you can purchase licensed BTC futures ETF in China legally starting from today. Few understand. I do not understand it. So if you have more information, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you very much. And remember, Tron-backed USDD lost parity as a stablecoin, but not today. This is a reality from October the 17th. So bad news too for that. We'll see about the domino effect. Now Falcon X, the crypto brokerage, saying that he has some funds stuck on FTX, which is not good. It's not good that Canada is prohibiting crypto firms from offering leverage trading to citizens. The regulators trying to control more and more. In Spain also, we have bad news about that. They are going to encourage all the crypto companies to go and register at the Bank of Spain, and they want to have everything under control. More than that, from Europe, they just say goodbye to Eva Kailis. She was the vice president and she was crypto friendly, now working on an FTX, on an NFT paper, sorry, that won't see light ever again because she was terminated. So we'll see if the next vice president is crypto friendly or not. Maybe good news, maybe not. Consensus launching private beta for CKEVM. We'll see about that development. And good news about our friends. If you want some safety with all those fiascos we're talking about, then you have this good opportunity. You can buy 3 of those Bitcoin wallets, cold wallets, and you'll have a 7% discount. More than that, if you are a rider, you have a link in the description. If you use it, you have extra €5 discount. Remember, I have all my cold wallets already, and we did this video talking about it. So if that's something of your interest, watch it. You have the offer 3 now with that 7% plus €5 discount, link in the description. And talking about adoption and good news, this guy, maybe you consider this a good option, a good news, just inserted a chip in his hand and he can pay with Lightning Network as easy as showing his hand. What do you think about that? And what do you think about Elon Musk fighting the bots in Twitter? From Monday, allegedly, we will be able of paying $8 to have the blue check, $11 if you are using iOS. And you can see today that all the official blue checked companies now are in yellow color, and starting next week the government firms will be gray. So are you gonna buy this or not? I am for sure. In the crypto DeFi ecosystem, we are below, we are down from $40 billion. That's sad, but maybe we have good news. According to Apple, maybe they're planning to allow external iOS apps in potential boom for crypto NFTs. Remember the controversy we had because Apple wanted 30% of the transactions for those NFTs in its platform. Coinbase stopped working with them, etc. And right now, maybe with this, we can avoid that crazy 30% transaction fee, which is impossible of paying. And good news for Reddit, they have sold more than 5 million NFTs avatars on Polygon right now. And good news for Over the Reality, thank you very much, because they want to give us a Christmas present. Remember, you have time till 19th December to go to the street and find those treasures. If you find one, just retweet it and I will show you in the show. Thank you very much. And remember that the year is coming to an end, and maybe you're trying to do your tax report so you don't wait till next June as you did past year. Well, if you are doing that, Do not try on doing that without software. That's, in my opinion, impossible. Unless you are a really beginner here, you're gonna need coin tracking. A software is the best for tracking your portfolio and also for doing your tax responsibilities. And they are improving every day. Even though we have Christmas vacation, etc., they are just working on improving in every area of the platform. So you have a link in the description. It's a 10% discount. You have to take advantage of that. And if you want more information about tax reports, etc., go to CLCRIPTO. For example, Juan, our friend, is telling you there the improvements for the beta for coin tracking, and also if we should or not declare our losses this year. And we have a nice interview in English here for the people in coin tracking. So good now to go to the street and forget a little bit about the crypto space and be smart as this guy that when he sees an opportunity, well, he hides some Bitcoin under its hands. Okay, he didn't notice, and I have it here. Smart one. This one is starting to learn in the crypto space. Those still going there, and some of them need some help and need some medicine in order to take the Bitcoin pill and become a crypto rider. This guy needs some special glasses as myself in order to watch the crypto reality. And this one is crazy because he's just thinking about the Fed again, printing money as crazy, and these others that believe that all you need is love in the end. So let's go find somebody to love. And if you want to love Spanish and learn Spanish, go to our primary channel, Fan on the Right, where you have this video in Spanish. If you want more in English, just wait for next video here in Fan on the Right. Health, money, love, party in peace, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!